Welcome to my channel, Online Center Tilakpur. Please, don't skip. Watch my full video. Let's go and enjoy. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back. New video. Today is my videos. Update off in your computer, laptop.
Go to Start menu and open your control panel.
Open Windows Updates. Options, click here.
Now you can see Change Settings. Open Change Settings.
Select the option Never check for updates. Not recommended.
Check Mark out and check Mark out. And at last, OK. And done this process.
Now, all the updates FF your computer. Have a good day. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel for more video. Online Center Tilakpur.